Making new medicines is an expensive, long, and risky climb. Most ideas don't make it to clinical trials. And fewer than 1 in 10 drug candidates that do begin trials make it to the market. Only 1 in 10 of those drugs becomes a very profitable blockbuster. But climbers are motivated by those potential profits, which are temporary rewards paid by health plans until a drug goes generic. The chance of bringing a drug to the market is higher when the climb is shorter and when several teams compete to reach the summit. Each climb starts from a knowledge base camp created by academics, NIH, and other public and private funders. The higher the knowledge base, the better, but success is never guaranteed. Smaller companies funded by investors begin hundreds of ascents each year. Even the best teams cannot make it to the top without additional funds and must be regularly resupplied by investors. Resources for the final leg of the climb, a Phase 3 clinical trial, are often supplied by bigger, profitable companies that reinvest the profits from sales of their existing medicines. Leading climbers are sometimes rewarded for their high-risk progress even before they reach the summit when acquired by those larger companies partway through development. This is the ecosystem that drives biomedical innovation. To benefit from medical advances as a society, we must preserve it by funding public base camp knowledge and making sure sufficient incentives remain to convince private investors to risk funding climbers, whether they make it to the summit or not.